All of this is water.
Huh?
All of this is water. Flooded. Water. Oh my God. If I bust my ass, I'm gonna hurt you.
It's flooded and I still don't have enough water.
Seriously?
Seriously.
What is up with this?
I don't think the tube's big enough.
Anyway, I can't see you, so. Well, I can see you right here. Stuff we do in Hinton. There, I said it for you. There's so much nasty stuff in here. Ew, 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 ew.
I'm not gonna find a way to balance my weight out. I'm gonna sit right in the middle of it. That's a little better.
You're almost there. You can do it. Ew. Ew. I can't really see you. Like, I can see your head, that's it. There's like no point in doing this.
I know, I give up.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna do it and not be recorded.